Are you one of millions of people in the UK who suffer from loud and excessive noise at home? Do you work from home but struggle to concentrate because of the traffic outside? Or is it the noisy neighbours keeping you awake at night again? And that is where we can help. We are the Soundproofer, a family-based soundproofing company established back in 1980. With 40 years trading experience, we have successfully completed thousands of domestic and commercial projects and have acquired a reputation for excellent customer service, attention to detail, and competitive pricing. So how can we stop the noise? From designer acoustic panels to soundproof insulation to fully installed soundproof walls, ceilings or floors that are installed both quickly and discreetly within your home or workplace. Our expert team will guide through the available options and help you make a concise decision to eliminate unwanted noise and turn a restless night's sleep into a silent night's slumber. Call us today on 0117 4567 174 or visit our website www.thesoundproofer.co.uk. Remember, silence is golden.